Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AT&T Inc. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in AT&T Incorporated, start by conducting thorough research on the company. Understand its business model, recent performance, and future growth prospects. Next, choose a reputable brokerage platform that supports stock trading. Create an account on the brokerage website. Ensure you provide all necessary personal information and complete any verification steps. Once your account is set up, fund it with the amount you wish to invest in AT&T. Search for AT&T Inc. By its ticker symbol, T. Analyze the current stock price and check for any market news related to AT&T. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your budget and investment strategy. Place a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify your desired purchase price. Review your order details carefully before finalizing the transaction. After your order is executed, monitor your investment regularly. Stay updated on market trends and AT&T's business developments. Consider setting up alerts for significant price movements or news releases. Reassess your investment periodically to determine if it meets your financial goals. Keep in mind your investment horizon and risk tolerance as you manage your position in AT&T Inc. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.